In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download my project on Netlify. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to move from your Netlify dashboard to the exact source file in your repository and save it to your computer without any guesswork. Start by opening your Netlify dashboard in your browser and signing in. Once you're in the correct team workspace, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Projects. This takes you to the full list of your sites and projects connected to that workspace, which is the best starting point when you need to find a specific code base. If you have a lot of items, use the search bar at the top to filter by name. Typing just a few characters usually narrows it down fast. When you spot the project you want to download from, click it to open its overview page. This page brings together all the key details you'll need for the next step. On the overview page, check the deployment information. You should see that the project deploys from GitHub, along with a link to the connected repository. That link is important because it takes you straight to the source of truth for your files. Click the GitHub link, and it will open the repository in a new browser tab so you can browse the code directly. In GitHub, make sure you're on the Code tab, which lists the repository's folders and files. If your repository uses multiple branches, confirm you're viewing the branch that Netlify deploys, typically main, so you download the exact version that's live. From here, navigate through the folders to find what you need. In this example, we'll open a folder named HTML to locate an HTML file, but your structure may be different, so follow the path that matches your project. Click the file you want to download to open it. On the Files page, look for the download icon near the upper right area of the code view. Click that icon and your browser will start saving the file to your computer. Choose a destination folder you recognize and consider renaming the file if that helps you keep things organized. That's the full process. To recap, go to Projects in Netlify, search and open your site, confirm it deploys from GitHub, follow the repository link, browse to the correct folder, open the file, and use the download icon to save it locally. Keep an eye on the branch you're viewing and keep your downloads organized so you always know exactly which version you've saved. Thanks for watching and great job following along.